Simplification. The word simplification means making simpler. In a simplification sum, the order in which the operation is to be done is given by a rule known as BODMAS rule. The different letters of BODMAS stand for: B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. There are 4 types of brackets. The order of simplifying the brackets is bar brackets, round brackets, curly brackets, and at last square brackets. Let's solve an example. Simplify this sum using BODMAS rule. First, see what is given in the question. We have round brackets, curly brackets, square brackets. So, according to BODMAS rule, first solve the round brackets, that is 12 multiplied by 3. That is 12 multiplied by 3 will be 36. Then solve curly bracket, that is 48 plus 36. We get 84. Now solve square bracket, that is 84 divided by 6 will be 14. And at last solve 14 minus 11. We get 3. Therefore, the answer is 3.